Get your work done by skilled people, anytime from anywhere, quickly and hassle-free. To get started, sign in as a buyer. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. On the top right corner, click on Post a Job. Here you can create a job based on your requirements. Fill in all the necessary details like job title, category, city, budget, and description. Make sure your description clearly explains what work you want, so the right seller can apply. You can also upload a reference image to help the seller better understand your requirements. Once everything is filled, click on Submit Now. Your job will go live on the platform. You can view all your posted jobs in My Job section. Now seller will start applying for your job. After they complete the work, their submissions will appear on the My Order section. Here you can review the submitted work carefully. If the work meets your expectations, you can click on Complete Order, which means the task is successfully finished and the agreed payment will be given to the seller. And if the work is not up to the mark, you also have the option to cancel the order. You can also leave feedback based on your experience, which helps maintain quality and support the best seller on the platform. With TaskMarket, getting your work done is very simple, fast and reliable. Post your first job today and get your task completed with ease.